Clovis, are you kidding me?
No need to swear, I'm just looking for the bread.
Ma'am, this is Macy's. We don't have bread here.
Don't you work at the library?
No, I volunteered there, but I work here.
Where's the bread?
I don't know, maybe Godshots?
No, they're out of business.
She's too dumb to work at the library.
Surprise. How am I gonna know? The typhoon.
What are you looking at, Clovis?
I've been noticing that you and Santa been acting mighty friendly lately. But you been telling me a couple of something?
Strap yourself, boy. Jack Claus's old man like to talk. That's all that is. That's all that is.
Like to talk, huh? Well, I like to talk too.
What you want to talk about, Clovis, huh? What you want to talk about?
I want to talk about the plan you've been working on.
Ain't working on no plan.
I know you, and I know you got something brewing. I know it.
What I got brewing, Clovis? What I got
You
brewing?
tell me.
You gonna lost your toy making mine.
I don't care what you believe. I don't care what you believe. I know you, and I know when you got something brewing. I know when you got something up your sleeve.
You think I'm gonna stay up here arguing with you all night? You cut into my sleeping time.
Cutting in your sleeping time. Yeah. Well then, why for you talking? Why are you talking if you want to go sleep?
Shut on a candy cane and good night.
Why for I gotta go sleep? Why I gotta go sleep? Why can't I sit
Good
here
night, Clovis.
and look at you and wonder what you got up your sleeve?
I got something up my sleeve.
Yeah,
I got a behind whooping brewing for you if you don't stop messing with me.
Is that right?
That's right.
Forget you.
Forget you.
Well, sleep tight, Winnie.